Hey there, awesome viewers. Today we're going to talk about how to make money by offering services that cost less than $500 to start. Yes, you heard it right. $500. Whether you're a student looking for some extra cash, a stay-home parent wanting to contribute to the family income, or just someone with a passion for entrepreneurship, this episode is your golden ticket. Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Wow. Yeah.
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. The first one I'm going to start with is number 5, online tutoring. Are you ready to turn your smarts into cash? Let's talk about the super cool world of online tutoring, where you can make money from the comfort of your home. Wearing your favorite pajamas, think about it. What's your awesome at? Come on, think about it. Is it math? Speaking Spanish? Hola. Playing the guitar? Or maybe you're a coding wizard. Whatever it is, there's someone out there that would love to learn from you. You can do this for under $500. You just need a computer, a camera, and a headset with a mic. I have all the links for those items down below in the description. Get started by setting up a snazzy profile on sites like Chegg, Tutor.com, or italki. Show off what makes you an amazing tutor, your experience, your cool certifications, and don't forget to add a dash of sparkling personality. These sites are like your helpful sidekicks. They find students, they sort out payments, and make sure everything runs smoother than a fresh jar of creamy peanut butter. But hey, why stop there? Unleash your inner entrepreneur and spread the word about your tutoring magic on your own website or through social media. This way you can find students who pay top dollars for your expertise. Feeling adventurous? Try group sessions or whip up some specialized courses for extra cash. And guess what? As you become the tutoring superstar, you can start charging more. But remember, the heart of a great tutor is patience, epic communication skills, and a genuine love for sharing knowledge. Connect with other tutors online, share tips, and grow together. And just for a bit of inspiration, Nathaniel Hanna made a jaw-dropping $1,250 per hour tutoring. How cool is that? So grab your teaching cape and let's make learning and earning fun. Number 4, we have cleaning services. To start, you just need to raid that cleaning closet. Chances are you already got some supplies ready to go. And if you need to buy anything, stick with the basics and keep it budget friendly. Aim to start with residential gigs since they're generally less demanding equipment-wise compared to commercial jobs. Now, let's get the word out without spending a dime. Whip up some eye-catching flyers and business cards using free online design tools such as Canva. Print a few to start. We're keeping it with, wallet friendly. Remember, next hit the digital streets. Post on free online classifieds, community boards, and don't forget about the power of social media. Speaking of social media, you can make YouTube shorts, Instagram, and TikTok videos of yourself cleaning to showcase your skills and get an even bigger clientele. I love those videos. And if you're having trouble finding your first set of clients, don't fret. Your first clients might be closer than you think. Offer your services to friends and family and neighbors at a friendly price. In return, ask them to spread the word or leave you some glowing reviews. Trust me, nothing beats personal testimonies to build trust with new clients. Start small, give it your all, and watch your cleaning business grow. And hey, need some inspiration? Christopher Mondragon is rocking the cleaning world with over 1.5 million in annual revenue. So come on, Spick and Span Squad. It's time to get paid. You go, sparkling specialists. Number 3, reselling. Come on, let's talk about starting a reselling business. We can start by going on a treasure hunt. Your mission, go to local garage sales, thrift shops, and retail clearance racks for hidden gems. Pick something you're passionate about or know a lot about, like retro clothes, electronics, books, you name it. This will make it easier for you to spot those killer deals. Spend your first $500 wisely on these finds. The golden rule, buy low, sell high. Keep an eye out for those under the radar items that you can flip for a profit. And here's a pro tip. Check out community giveaway sites or online classifieds for free or super cheap items. Got your inventory? Great! Now let's get selling! List your items on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. Snap your great photos. You have to have great photos and write up an honest and catchy description and watch as the buyers roll in. Don't forget to use your social media to give your items some extra love and connect with potential customers. And for a little inspiration, meet Mona Mejia, a stay-at-home mom turned reselling superstar. She's amazing. She started on Poshmark in 2015 and made a whopping $735,000 in 2021 by selling on social media, live streams, and partnering with brands. If she can do it, why can't you? So grab your shopping bags and let's turn those bargains into bucks. Your reselling journey is just a thrift store away. Number 2, we got yard work and gardening services. Can you make a lawn look like a green velvet carpet? Are you a wizard with a hedge trimmer? Maybe you have a knack for making gardens look magical. And if you already got some gardening tools, you're halfway there. If not, no sweat. Start with services that need just a few simple tools like weeding or garden maintenance. Now, let's find you some clients. Also, get creative online. Post in local Facebook groups and community bulletin boards. And don't forget the power of a good old-fashioned flyer. A little bit of paper and some catchy words can work wonders. Here's the key to growing your business. Knock their socks off with your service. Happy customers are chatty customers, and word of mouth is your best friend. Do a great job, and they'll tell their friends, who'll tell their friends, and so on and so on. As the cash starts rolling in, consider upgrading your tools. This lets you do more work and do it faster and more efficient, and offer even cooler services. Be smart about your schedule. Line up jobs in the same area to save on travel time and cost. And for a little inspiration, let's talk about Christy Weber. She started small just like you, and now she's landscaping big names like the United Center and Millennium Park in Chicago. Imagine that. So grab your gardening gloves and let's turn that green thumb into some green cash. Your yard work and gardening business adventure starts now. Number 1, we got Handmade Crafts. Pick a craft you love. Maybe you're a master with jewelry, a knitting ninja, a candle making connoisseur, or a home decor hero. The trick is to choose something that's not only fun for you, but also something people would love to buy. And here's a pro tip. Start small. Buy just enough materials to get going without blowing your budget. Check out local craft stores, hunt for deals online, or get creative with upcycling. Now, Let's get those gorgeous creations of yours out into the world. Set up shop on Etsy, the go-to place for handmade goodies, or flaunt your work on Instagram and Facebook. These platforms are like your digital storefront, and the best part, they're free. Make your products irresistible with awesome photos and descriptions that tell a story. People love to see the person behind the product, so share your crafty journey. Post some behind the scenes peeks and chat with your followers. It's all about building a community around what you do. As the sales start rolling in, think about reinvesting some of that cash. Maybe buy materials in bulk. It's usually cheaper, and add new items to your line or jazz up your marketing. And guess what? Your handmade crafts business isn't just a dream. People are making serious cash with this. Like Remy Selva, who made over $100,000 selling stickers. Yes, I said it, stickers. So what are you waiting for? Grab your glue gun, unleash your creativity, and let's turn those crafts into cash. I hope you enjoyed all our side hustles that you can do for under $500. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.